Hey there, quick Webflow tip if you're struggling to create beautiful or realistic looking shadows on your cards or UI elements. So in my example here I have a card with the class of blog_item, and right now I don't have any shadows applied. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to this website called Beautiful CSS Box Shadow Examples by CSS Scan, and what this is it's basically a component library of just box shadows. So to illustrate, I'm going to select number 28, and when I click it, it will be copied to my clipboard, and then I can head over to CodePen and just paste in the CSS, and I can copy the value. So I'll Control C or Command C to copy the value, head back to Webflow, and under Custom Properties, I can add Box Shadow, and then paste in that value, and it's applied to my card. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.